This is a perfect planet. Life flourishes here thanks to powerful natural forces. Light from the sun reaches us in just 8 minutes, powering our living world. And its daily and yearly rhythms shape the lives of every creature on Earth. Volcanoes are powerful and uncontrollable forces. But they are the architects of the planet, creating over 80% of the Earth's surface. Life could not exist without them. Our oceans are in constant motion. They are linked by a network of powerful currents that carry nutrients around the globe. Every drop of seawater rides these currents, taking 1,000 years to complete a single circuit. And where there are currents, there is life. From mighty storms to freezing winds, weather is vital to life. Rain clouds form and powerful winds carry this fresh water around the globe, revitalizing the land. Annual weather patterns have been stable for thousands of years, and it's this reliability on which life depends. Together, these forces have shaped our perfect planet. But it's a fragile system.